In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook ad post in Canva in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to create eye-catching Facebook ads with ease, Canva is your go-to tool. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step to ensure you have everything you need to create a stunning ad. First things first, navigate to Canva's website. Once you're there, look for the button that says Create a Design. You'll usually find this at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with a plethora of options for different types of projects. Since we're focusing on Facebook ads today, select the option labeled Facebook Ad from the template selections. When you choose Facebook Ad, Canva provides you with a wide array of customizable templates designed specifically to capture attention. You can decide to pick one of these professional templates to jumpstart your design, or if you're feeling creative, you could start entirely from scratch. Each option allows you to tailor the details to fit your brand's specific needs and style. Now, let's personalize this ad by adding your product photo. To do this, click on Uploads on the left sidebar. This expands your media options where you should select Upload Media to bring in your image files. Whether it's a product shot or a brand logo, dragging and dropping your media onto the canvas can be done quickly and seamlessly, allowing it to instantly become part of your ad. With your image in place, it's time to add compelling text. Head over to the text section that you'll find in the same left sidebar. Click Add a heading to bring a text box onto your workspace. This is where you can input the key messaging for your ad, so make it impactful and clear. To ensure your ad spurs viewers to action, consider including a strong call to action. This could be something like shop now, find out more, or sign up today. A catchy call to action helps direct your audience towards the next step you want them to take, making your ad not just visually appealing, but also functional. To maximize your ad's impact, feel free to enhance your design with eye-catching elements. Canva offers shapes, icons, lines, and more to add a flair of creativity to your ad. These tools can be vital in drawing attention and providing a professional finish to your design. Once you've finished designing and are satisfied with how everything looks, the final step is saving your work. To do this, simply click the download button located at the top right of Canva's interface. Make sure to choose PNG as your file format for its high-quality output, ensuring your ad looks sharp and ready for the digital space. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've turned your creative vision into a tangible Facebook ad using Canva. With these simple steps, your ad is ready to capture attention and engage your audience. Thanks for joining me, and happy designing.